solemn declaration ito bilang National Shrine ng Sambayanang Pilipino.
That the Diocesan Shrine and Parish of Our Lady of Aranzazu, San Mateo Rizal, Philippines, was solemnly declared as a national shrine and parish of Our Lady of Aranzazu. The Holy Mass and rite of solemn declaration was presided over by His Eminence Luis Tagle G. Cardinal Tagle, Cardinal Bishop of Albay.